Hi guys, simply Naturabelle here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new video for you guys, and of course you already know what I'm going to be discussing by the title, and it's my goals for 2018. I know guys, I know that I am late, but for those of you who would have seen my last update, you would have known that it's been tough and it's been a bit hard to get out my videos as planned, not just filming but mostly editing, right? So I am so glad to be back here and to just share with you guys my goals for 2018. And yes, it's already third month of the year, but I am still going to be putting this out there so that I can have some sort of a record to be accountable to, and that it's out there in the universe, right? So I can start working on my goals. Alright, so if you want to see this video and hear my goals for 2018, just keep watching. So before I begin this video, I just wanted to mention that all these plans and goals that I have, none of this would be possible if this is not in alignment with what God wants for me. And guys, this is not in any way any form of discouragement to pursue goals or to achieve goals, but after I filmed this video, I was reminded when I got several different messages in terms of God's will for our lives, and that we must commit all our plans and our dreams and our goals to God, and if it is in alignment with His will, we will be able to achieve it and we will be able to accomplish all our dreams and goals, right? I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, so the first one I want to talk about is restoration. Now that comes in different aspects, but I want to deal with three aspects mainly, and that is my physical health, my mental health, and my spiritual health. Those are the three things I would really like to restore or work on as my goals for 2018. And for those of you who don't know, I am not well physically, and that also affects my emotions as well. So it really is important for me to find ways in which to deal with it, to deal with the situation and not to always get down and so on. I want to elaborate a little bit on different aspects, physical, mental and spiritual, and what I really want to focus on each. For physical, of course, it's my physical health, my body, dealing with my illness, overcoming it, if possible getting rid of it completely. That would be my answered prayer and a miracle. So that is the first one for physical. For my hair goals, you guys would have seen me do a natural hair goals video for 2018, so I will link that above and in the description box so you guys can see what those goals are, right? And for physical as well, in terms of my diet, I would like to stop eating meat. I'm gonna put it out there. I would like to stop eating meat. I may continue eating fish, but like chicken and beef and all these things, I think I want to stop eating meat, right? I want to eat on time. I want to drink more water. Of course, you guys know the struggle. And also the sleeping, to sleep on time, again, that is a struggle for me. There is something that I've been looking at online. I am thinking of purchasing it or doing a DIY of it on my own to see how that can assist me with my sleep, right? We'll let you guys in on that a little later. Right, and to exercise, of course, I want to start back doing that. And for my mental, to be a bit more positive in terms of doing stuff that I love and stuff that makes me happy. I really want to focus on that as well, and I think I will do a video showing you guys the things that I do to, you know, ease stress and relax and stuff like that. You guys will see that later down in my channel. In terms of spiritual, I want to have a more meaningful relationship with God, to build my faith, to do less worrying and more trusting in God, and also to get more involved in church and church activities, being on time for church and so on. So those are some of the things that I would like to focus on in terms of restoration, because it really is a case where these things were okay before. Most of these things were okay before, but somehow over the years life happened and I've lost my way in a few things, and I think this is the perfect year to start over, to better myself as well. The other goal I want to work on is improving relationships around me, in my marriage, with my family, and with friends as well. Number 3, I want to work on my business. I actually have a business. It's called Naturabelle Accessoriez, where I make hair accessories such as these. Right? I have another one here. You would have seen me worn this in several videos as well. So I make hair accessories, and I really would like to relaunch it this year. The plan was last year, but my illness got the better of me, and I really want to see how I can push through for this year, as well as some other things that I have been working on behind the scenes, right? Which would lead me to my next point, which is developing other revenue streams or other streams of income. My career right now is sort of on a contract basis, a 2-year contract basis, and my 2 years is coming to an end this year. So I would like to come up with ways on how I can make other streams of income, so that I don't have to depend on the typical 9-to-5 job, 8-to-4 job to get me through financially, right? Number 5, I would like to read at least 6 books from cover to cover. This can be ebooks, this can be audiobooks, this can be actual print books as well. So I want to read at least 6 books for the year, that is. And number 6, I want to be more consistent and focused with my YouTube channels, and I want to start back blogging. I haven't been doing much of that last year, and I really want to start it this year. I started off okay, probably for January, but I slipped off into February, and I want to get back to that. And number 7, which is my last goal, is to be a bit more organized. So in terms of, I am somebody, I have tons of paper and I like to write things down, right? But I don't want to just write things down. I want to, like on pieces of paper, I want to actually start journaling. And not just that, but this year I really want to be more intentional and start making action plans and putting down my steps to make sure that those goals are achieved, right? So that's something that I will be doing, and every now and then you would have seen me look down to read my notes, and I have them stored right here. This DIY cover for a journal that I got, and I have a video coming up with that. And yeah, I used to write a lot when I was younger. Every year I had a journal and I wrote down every single thing, my feelings, whether I'm happy, whether I'm sad, what I did, what happened through the day, and it was for me really calming, and I really enjoyed it. So I really want to start back doing that this year. And look at my cute little pen. There's something I got in a gift, and it actually matches with my colors. You all know I like purple and lilac and so on. It is the cutest thing ever. For me, most of these goals that I have for 2018 are actually rollover goals from previous years. Most of the times my main goal is to actually improve my life, and sometimes I get through with some, others sometimes I don't. So I usually like to take goals from before and continue working on them, or try different strategies to see which one can work, and so on, right? So do you prefer resolutions or goals? And what are some of your goals for 2018? If you're not too shy to share, and don't be, please leave a comment down below and let me know what are some of your goals and how do you intend on achieving them. Alright, so I may be doing a giveaway. I am not sure if I will include it in this video, for one of these journals that I bought at the Dollar Zone. I'm not sure if I will include it here, if I will do it on Instagram, or if I will include it in my Dollar Zone haul. You guys will have to wait and see, and keep on the lookout for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, simply Naturabelle's World. I will have the links for you guys in the description box so that you guys can catch all my hauls and stuff on that channel. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a blessed one. Bye.